'Twas the Night Before Christmas, the Chemistry Science Edition by Merrissa Sorrentino. 'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the lab not a beaker was burning, nor a lid left uncapped. Our goggles were hung up in the cupboard with care, with hopes that St. Mendeleev would soon be there. The chemists were nestled, all snug in their coats, going over molecular formula notes. Professor in glasses reciting compounds had just finished jotting the last of them down. When outside the door there arose such a clatter, I sprang from my desk to see what was the matter. We raced down the hallway in quantum light flash, dodging the test tubes and measuring flasks. The light of fluorescent tubes up above gave a lustre as bright as my chemical glove. Then what to my wandering eyes should appear but a chemist with 8 elemental reindeer. Faster than light these elements came. He whistled and shouted and called them by name. Now bismuth, now carbon, now krypton, now bromine, on copper, on cobalt, on xenon, on fluorine. From out of the hallway and into the class they formed an unusual luminous gas. Like heat that emerges within a reaction, the atoms were striving for more interaction. So off with their lids the chemicals flew, with a gift for the lab, St. Mendeleev too. And then in a startle I heard from the hall the clinking of pipettes and glass mixing rods. As I heard in my head and was turning to look, St. Dimitri appeared with his chemistry book. He was dressed all in white from his head to his foot, but his coat was all tarnished with ashes and soot. With a bundle of research files hung on his back, he looked like a student who's ready for class. His eyes, how they peered, and they looked all around. His cheeks were as pink as lithium compound. Through his beard and his chin, titanium white, the smirk on his face conveyed utter delight. The stub of his pencil he held in his hand, the sign of a very intelligent man. And with it he granted the wisdom and knowledge which quickly began to envelop the college. He spoke of a dream where elements took structure, like symphony of atoms, and he the conductor. He arranged on the table in front of us all. He gave us a wink and then was gone from the hall. He went in a flash as he called for his elements. Away they all flew in a cloud of intelligence. But I heard him call out before fading away, "Happy research to all and a good day."